Make a great choice today with the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, fog lights, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.